Hello, day traders who love to travel. From our offices in beautiful Hong Kong, welcome. Hello, future options traders and day traders from around the world. My name is Tristan. I have been a professional trader for more than 30 years. I very much want to welcome you to our brand new YouTube channel here at the Options Trading Academy. I'm coming to you from beautiful Hong Kong, where our offices are located. I have personally lived here for 6 years. I love this city. It is the global financial capital of the world. We have some of the most beautiful, gorgeous beaches here. If you are in America, for example, and you are trading or getting up in the mornings, we are starting our trading day at night. So usually we start our evenings around 6:30, 7 o'clock at night. We start trading when it's early mornings for you. So I go kayaking during the day and whatnot, depending on what's going on in the markets here in Asia and different things like that. But what I want to do today is we're going to be discussing SPX trading options, but we are going to do this in segments. So I want to do this little short video today so we don't overclutter your mind. So we're going to do an episode 1 through an episode 9 of what it takes to become a successful trader in trading SPX trading options. So today, part 1, and then we'll have part 9, is part 1 today. We're going to talk about something that I'm sure you never imagined. We'll just go strictly into trading options and the SPX and the SPY and how it works. But that's not how we work here. With 30 years of doing this as a professional trader, I have learned one thing. Number one, part one, the most important thing you need to do is find you a good mentor. Mentorship is not talked enough in trading psychology. Successful traders understand the power of having a mentor, a compliance manager. And so you ask, what is a compliance manager? Well, here at our trading firm, a compliance manager, it's a mentor. And basically, they tap you on the shoulder and say, do you really want to take that trade? Have you overtraded today? Where are you at on your profits? What trades have you taken today? Have you looked at your strategies? Are you following your strategies? Did you sleep well last night? Did you eat well today? Did you eat well yesterday? Did you do some exercise? Whether it's walking or kayaking or weights or just getting up and moving your arms, whatever it is that helps get your blood going and helps make those muscles work to help your brain work better. So that's part 1 that I want to discuss with you today is get you a mentor. And if you say you can't afford one, then don't trade. Or if you can't afford one, find somebody, a friend, a family member, someone you connect with. That's the importance of a mentor. Do you connect with them? Someone that's going to understand you and hold you accountable and be your compliance manager. And you have already helped become 75% successful in day trading and options trading because you're getting your psychology, your trading psychology where it needs to be first. We don't want to worry about the best platforms and stuff to trade with because tomorrow on part 2, I hope you come back and visit. We're going to talk about trading psychology. Trading psychology is one of my most favorite subjects other than mentoring because you've got to have your brain working in top shape every single trading session. Notice I didn't say every trading session per day. You don't have to trade every day. You want to go after your best setups that you like and make sure that day that your mind, you have proper psychology going on up there in that brain to help you trade successful. That's what we want to talk about in part 2 series, episode 2 tomorrow. And I'll give you a little bit of spill on what the other episodes are going to be. On the part 3 series, we're going to talk about the best online trading brokers and platforms for options trading and day trading stocks. So we're going to do two different ones on that on the platforms. And I would almost bet they are not who you typically hear or think that we're going to mention. After 30 years of doing this, I have my favorite, tested them, and who we think is the best. And then number 4 On the part four series, we're going to talk about options trading for beginners. On part five, we're going to talk, of course, more detail about SPX trading options, the wonderful S&P 500 futures index, as well as SPY options and how to trade them, and the wonderful setups and things to look for, the basics. And then on part six, we're also going to talk about stock options, industrials, consumers, tech stocks. So if you like tech stocks or industrials like Caterpillar or tech and Apple. We're going to discuss those a little bit. Here at our firm at the Options Trading Academy, what we primarily trade are SPX options as well as SPY options. We do a little bit of stocks with certain tech and industrials. And then on the part seven series, we want to talk about day trading for beginners, what it takes to become successful. If you want to be a fast day trader and make multiple trades and scalp. So, scalping will be one of our good series we talk about on part seven. And then each one of those series on those part series will also have little multiple series as well. So, number eight, one of my favorites on part eight, episode eight, we're going to talk about day trading strategies, options trading strategies, and what works best. I'm going to let the air out of your bubble right now and let you know there's no magic strategy out there. We do one simple thing here and we do it very, very consistently, and that's price action. That's all we worry about. We'll talk about charts and trading strategies on charts and kind of the basics, what to look for. But Bollinger Bands and all that other stuff. You don't need this stuff. That's our opinion, anyways. We're not financial advisors. We don't want to be a financial advisor, but this is what works when you keep trading simple. Don't overcomplicate trading. It'll make everything just a blur, make you fail, and we don't want that. The last thing I want to talk to you about that is very, very important is day trading for success, options trading for success. Are you laying in bed in shorts and a t shirt, no shorts at all, no shirt, and trading because you want to be comfortable? There will be many people that say, be comfortable if you want to trade well. I argue, dress professional, look your best, act your best, because there's a method while we're going part one on finding a good mentor, the power of a mentorship, to number two series on trading psychology, number three, the best platforms. We want to do this in segments so we know as we go down, we get our brain used to the proper methods of how to become successful in trading. And there's no better thing to do than look successful because it makes you feel successful. Even if you buy a tie from a cheap discount store, that's fine. Doesn't matter how you look to others. It matters how do you look and feel inside to yourself. Thank you so much for visiting our channel today. We hope you subscribe. If you want to visit with us tomorrow on the part two series on trading psychology, we're going to talk about that. But I want to leave you with this one thing. If you don't have the money to find a mentor, find somebody that will mentor you for free and stick with you every day. Somebody who understands this industry, and they're out there if you can't afford one. If you can't afford one, find somebody you connect with. I, mentorship and someone that is going to mentor you every day and be your compliance manager and tap you on the shoulder again and say, hey, do you want to take that trade? It's very, very important to become a successful trader. Thank you so much for visiting us. Please subscribe if you want to be a part of an uplifting trading community that doesn't want to motivate you. You're here because you know the opportunities. We don't want to talk to you about how much money we've made or show you fancy cars. That's not what a professional trader does. A professional trader knows the opportunities that are there. People like us that have been doing this for many, many years, they want to talk about the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars we've lost over the years and how many accounts we have blown up. I've been doing this for over 30 years. And if I told you how many accounts that I have blown up, I would estimate it's probably over 300 accounts I've blown up. 300. You know what it takes to come back after every one of those? Resilience, dedication, and most importantly, passion. Passion. I am so passionate about this business. I love this industry. I can't ever see myself doing this. If there's a computer to be put in my coffin when I am gone and I can figure out a way to trade in the afterlife, I'll be the first one. So, thank you so much for visiting us. I hope you feel our passion. I hope you can feel that I truly care about you succeeding. And I've wanted to give up many times in my career, but fortunately, in my younger years, I had a good mentor and it helped keep me going. So find you a good mentor. Don't you dare start trading until you find a good mentor. I can't wait to see you tomorrow to talk about trading psychology. Like and subscribe if you want to get to know us and become a good, successful trader. Thank you for watching.